Annyeonghaseyo! In this video, we will be sharing about the traditional game Jegichagi. Jegichagi is a combination of two words chagi and chagi. Chagi referring to the shuttlecock and chagi which means kick in Korean, and together we get Jegichagi. Jegichagi is an outdoor children's game. It involves the use of a chagi that resembles a badminton shuttlecock. It is made of a small coin-sized paper. The idea is to keep the chagi in the air by kicking it and keep it from touching the ground. It is a seasonal game associated with the lunar year holidays during winter. However, it is now played in any time of the year. Jegichagi originates from a ball game called Jukut that dates back to antiquity. Jukut was played with a ball rather than a shuttlecock and was known in the early Joseon period as gyeoki. The word jegi was first used in the 18th century, then changes from gyeoki to gyeoki, and from gyeoki to gyeoki, and finally from gyeoyi to jegi. To make the jegichagi, we will need an A4 paper, cellotape, a bottle cap, a stack of coins, a rubber band, and a pair of scissors. First, place the stack of coins into the bottle cap and use cellotape to secure it firmly. Your end result should look like this. Next, fold your paper into half and at the opening end of the paper, use the pair of scissors you have to make fringes. Remember not to cut your paper all the way to the end, as you would want some space to place your bottle cap. Once you are done cutting, open the paper and fold the paper into half at the other direction. Take your bottle cap and place it in the middle and fold the paper as shown in the video. Finally, take your rubber band and secure your jegichagi. And there you have it, your very own Jegichagi. Jegichagi is played in different ways. The three most common ways are hyungrengi, dagangaji, and yambachachi. First, hyungrengi. For hyungrengi, the player must only use one foot to kick the chagi, and that same foot must not touch the ground before the chagi falls. Next, dagangaji. Like in hyungrengi, the player must only use one foot to kick. However, this is easier because the player is allowed to put his or her kicking foot back on the ground before each kick. Last but not least, yambachachi. For yambachachi, the player is allowed to use both feet to kick the chagi. Here are some demonstrations of the wrong ways of playing jegichagi. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!